Managing sales execution across regions, depots and business units requires real-time control. Disconnected systems, delayed data and limited visibility make it hard to lead proactively. Proxima is built to solve this. Proxima is an AI-powered sales execution and business control platform that connects field teams, managers, warehouses and head office in real time. Let's start with execution in the field. Sales representatives begin their day with the Proxima SFA dashboard, viewing DTD, MTD, and YTD performance, targets, achievements, and key KPIs all in one place. Attendance is captured with selfie and GPS validation, along with time spent on office and field activities, ensuring accurate productivity tracking. Field execution is driven by AI-based route optimization. Weekly beat plans clearly show customer sequence, travel distance, and expected duration, helping teams achieve higher coverage with less travel time. Proxima supports pre-sales, van sales, and general visits, with vehicle details, odometer readings, helpers, and truck stock captured at the start of the route. Sales rep get a complete route view on the map, including customer locations, visit timings, in and out duration, and real-time movement tracking. Every customer visit is location validated, ensuring execution integrity and reliable data. At the store, sales reps execute merchandising and store surveys, capturing shelf presence, visibility, compliance, and in-store conditions through structured workflows. Orders are taken instantly, even offline. Customer-specific pricing, real-time stock, schemes, and discounts are applied automatically without manual intervention. Invoices and receipts can be printed or shared instantly via WhatsApp. Proxima also supports store stock tracking, payment collection, returns management, POSM ordering, deployment, compliance tracking, issue reporting, and self-notes. New customers can be onboarded on the spot, added to routes immediately, and converted into live orders. Expenses, leave requests, and attendance corrections are raised directly from the app, ensuring smooth operational control. Sales representatives and managers can view a complete activity dashboard covering productivity, sales, and execution quality. Now let's move to the manager's view. Proxima Command Center provides real-time visibility across teams, depots, regions, and business units. Managers monitor live routes, compare planned versus actual visits, and track sales performance across individuals and teams. Dashboards highlight depot-wise performance, customer ordering behavior, and execution quality. Managers can quickly identify customers who have not placed orders, analyze whether customer-level sales are increasing or declining, and monitor target achievement across depots and teams. Stock availability across depots and warehouses is visible in real time, supporting faster decisions and better fulfillment. Outstanding amounts, collections, and credit exposure are tracked continuously for stronger financial control. Detailed reports provide profit and loss visibility at depot, regional, and business unit levels. Actionable insights highlight execution gaps, declining performance, stock risks, and financial exceptions, enabling early intervention. At the organization level, Proxima Nexus acts as the central control platform. All master data, customers, products, depots, vehicles, users, and roles is managed from a single system. Proxima Nexus powers AI-based route planning, survey configuration, inventory management, truck loading and unloading, order processing, invoice generation, payment settlement, and approvals. Leadership gains access to advanced analytics, including sales trends, stock movement, customer and salesperson ledgers, purchase reports, route analysis, and operational summaries. From intelligent planning in the field to real-time managerial control to strategic visibility at head office, Proxima delivers a unified end-to-end sales execution flow without fragmentation. The result is stronger execution, higher productivity, better profitability, and faster decision-making at scale. Proxima, built for organizations that demand control, intelligence, and execution excellence. Connect with us today. Get your sales execution live within a day. For more details, visit www.proximasfa.com.